What's your launching point in supporting an individual in working through their resentment with their partner?
Absolutely. So for me, the first step is going to be slowing down and looking inward. So there's this Rumi quote that says, quiet the mind and the soul shall speak. I kind of think of it as like quiet the mind and the truth starts to come forward. Because if we're stuck in this sort of thought swirl, right? We're again in the thick of it. There's a lot happening in life. You're busy. You're feeling this almost symptom of resentment, but it's a symptom usually of something else that's a little bit deeper. Yeah. So taking even a few minutes to quiet your mind, that could be, of course, my favorite is meditation, but listening to a short guided meditation, go out for a walk without devices, anything that you know yourself best. What is the thing that just lets that chatter subside even a little bit? So quiet the chatter so then you can actually look inward and say, okay, what's happening here? What am I actually feeling? What is the unmet expectation, or even why am I so resentful? And I think just starting there gives you so much more information. It gives you then a direction to go. So that maybe you're navigating a big life change. Maybe you are, there's a certain expectation you had for a partner that's not being fulfilled in that moment. Until you can sort of even get a clue as to what's actually happening, then you don't even know what direction to go in.